Whoop, whoop. Crash car mentality,
Whoop,
bro.
whoop.
We're getting the car set up this year. I'm going to get so many door marks. The car's going to get so smashed in. I can't wait to progress. It's going to be so sick.
You can't post that. Stop.
Can't wait. All right, we just got to Tippy Dickies. Dropped off the bumper. He's going to fix up the crackies. I don't have any time to get to this, and he's going to make my life way easier and build me one of these gangster Alumilite splitters. He said he's going to plate it in gold. Look, he's got the old Element over here, super race car, twin turboed Element. Pilot, sorry. That's embarrassing for a Honda guy. Hello? Yeah. Titman said he did 60 miles on the mountain bike earlier. Now he comes into the shop and does oil changes, gets everything done. If you need a body guy, make sure you hit up Titman, guys.
Not the guy.
He is the guy. And I can't believe it, but he surprised me since my birthday's in just 8 days. He gave me these works. So that's pretty cool. Real nice friend of him to give me some CR Kais. Good birthday gift. Good friend. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed from the last video, but we're taking the car to Nelson to get a cage in it. And you probably can't even see the truck. It's like 40 mile per hour winds right now. And yeah, you can't see it. But I'll show you guys when we get there. We're gonna stay at CMJ's house tonight. Drive hard, dude. Are you gonna progress this year?
No.
Got the trailer unloaded. Got the car over here. Nelson's Fab Shop. Nelson's doing the cage. Old girl, we're gonna make her safe finally. What do you think, Nelson? Gonna be super easy? You'll have it done in like a couple hours?
Oh yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
He's looking forward. We got the tubing all here. Big shout out to Andy for letting me borrow his hardtop because we got to have a hardtop to build the cage to itself. Got everything out. We have some plans on what we're gonna, or sorry, not what we're gonna do because I'm not doing it. What Nelson's gonna do. He's super stoked to do this. Big shout out to Nelson. Do you want the plug? Do you want the project plug for building cages later in the future?
Later in the future, yes.
Okay.
Later in the future. I'm currently at a rate of like 1.5 cages a year.
Okay.
I like to keep it about that.
Okay.
Until I get my shop.
So maybe if you hit him up, he'd maybe build you a cage, depending.
Yes.
But yeah, we're leaving the car here. Hopefully pick it up probably around Christmas or after Christmas. And it'll have a full cage in it. FD spec, which will be important for driving some of the events we want to drive this year. And Jordan's super stoked. Well, yeah, we'll leave Nelson to it. Let's go inside the One Life garage here. We got Mr. CMJ himself. What do we got going on here?
A bunch of shitty cars, you know. Can I say that on the YouTube there?
Yeah, you can, eh? We got Josh's car here that's getting ready for the FD makeover kit. Wait. Oh, yeah, it is your car. I'm so dumb. Sorry.
This is my car, not Josh's car.
Yep. It's just, I don't know why. Just, you know, gray cars. Gray
Gray
cars
cars.
matter.
That's Josh's car.
Gray cars. Wow.
That's Josh's car.
That's the new car?
The new car.
So CMJ has a E46 sedan that usually has this 2JZ, or 1JZ, sorry,
JZ.
with the adapter plate to a GS6 trans, right?
Yeah.
6-speed.
Yeah.
And then this is Josh's car that he's building. And this is going to be a competition car with like a quick change, dog box, LS, right?
Supercharged 6-liter or something.
Okay.
6-liter?
Lots of fun. Lots of work ahead of him still. But this is it in the flesh. You guys will probably get to see this year at some point in one of my videos. Completed. Hopefully. Oh yeah, Nelson. So Nelson that we just dropped the car off to. This is his car that he built, which is a S13, right? Or, yeah.
So it has S13 subframes.
S13 subframes.
All the frame rails, everything other than the subframes is Nelson.
Okay.
And he built this years ago, maybe 6 or 7 years ago.
Okay. So yeah.
It started with an SR20.
Okay.
And then he added a turbo VH45 for a couple years, but he couldn't do power steering and it was heavy in the front, so he didn't like drifting it.
So now he switched it to Turbo KA.
God's motor, KA.
Turbo KA.
I think it's
How much?
1,900 pounds now.
1,900 pounds. How much power did it make? 300?
Probably 260.
260? Okay.
But it drives incredible. It's crazy.
It's very cool. So it's got all S13 geometry for all the suspension stuff. And this is a street legal car. You can just drive in Indiana. Michigan's kind of the same way. You can just drive whatever on the street as long as you have taillights and headlights and you're good to go, and mirrors. But this is Nelson's little toy, and he built this years ago. And he's gonna be building our cage. So I have high hopes that he's gonna do a fantastic job on it. And pretty cool. So now we left CMJ's house. Big shout out to him for letting us stay there. We're heading to Cincinnati to pick up a car for Dylan that he wants to potentially buy. And I think it's an E46, some 325i. Since we have an open trailer, it's a little bit out of the way, but Dylan's gonna toss me some dollars. So we'll try to make the trip a little worth it. Maybe we can bring him something back so we can make some money. Look at all these Festivas. This guy just got a collection of Festivas. I don't know how well you guys can see that. But we'll see when we get there. Oh yeah. On the way home, dropped the car off to Nelson. Picked up Dylan's sick new E46 325i 4-cylinder car because that's all it fucking runs on. But it's all right. We had to make a little trip to Cincinnati for him. Rig's doing good. Just got some Taco Bell. Got a couple spare parts that we got given to us for picking this up, which was cool. And let's hit the road, brother. Well, we made it home with the car. I didn't really close the video out, so I figured I'd do a quick, short little video to close it out for you guys. Nelson has a car. We should pick it up probably the Monday after Christmas, I believe. Dylan was super stoked on his 4-cylinder 325i. He ended up finding like a piece of wood in the floorboard from where it was cut out or there was a hole in it. So that's funny. Next time I'll bring a stud finder with me to make sure there's no wood in the floor of these cars. But yeah, I'll make a new video soon when we pick the car up. I've seen some pictures of the cage and it looks awesome. Nelson did like a time lapse of all the pictures of him building the cage. So we'll probably do a voiceover on that too. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. I'll see you guys soon.